Hi guys, good morning. It is your girl Chef Chin. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my new subscribers. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Make sure you comment down below. Okay, so this morning we're gonna do some cornmeal porridge. Fast, easy, and simple, Jamaican style. Don't forget. So come on, let's go. Okay guys, so right here in this spot I have water and I have salt. I have cinnamon sticks and I have vanilla, well seasoned, just like when you season meat. So let's go and put the cornmeal that I've already pre-soaked into the pot to cook. Now you have to give this a quick stir. With cornmeal, if you don't stir it constantly, it's gonna lump up on you guys, so you don't want that. And let me tell you, if it burn it, peel out your skin. So we're gonna give this a quick stir so that it don't lump up. Okay, just like so. So now we're gonna leave it to cook. We're gonna cover it down and leave it to cook. Hi guys, so it is all smooth down after about 10 minutes. Look how smooth that baby is. So now we turn down the stove and now we're gonna add our knickknacks into it. So that's our sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, and a little bit of almond spice. Won't hurt a soul. And don't forget the great old lasco going right in there to make it creamy and smooth. So now all the spice has been added to the porridge. Now we're gonna add the milk and mix it out. I'm gonna use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of condensed milk in the porridge. Now guys, we're gonna mix it out like how my mother teach me to say beat it out. So that's what we're doing right here guys, beat it out in here. Hi guys, here is the finished product. Smooth, nice, creamy, and velvety. Good. Hope you guys enjoy it like how I'm gonna enjoy this. Hi guys, that's about it here in Jam Down Kitchen. Thank you for watching and thank you for always participating in what I'm doing over here on my page in Jam Down Kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave that comment down below, hit that notification bell, and don't forget there's a lot more stuff coming. Alright, if you cook like the yard, you always have to eat like a Jamaican. Out.